This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The High Court of Meghalaya has ruled that the order issued by the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner for owners of all shops and commercial vehicles to display signs of the vaccination status of their staff should be complied with, so that the public at large are provided with an option of making an informed choice. They should prominently display either a sign of vaccinated or not vaccinated, as the case may be. If there is any attempt by any person or organization to spread misinformation regarding the efficacy of vaccination amongst the people, the concerned authority should take immediate action as per law, the court ordered. 9 deaths due to COVID-19 complications increased the fatality figure to 797, and 482 new cases added up to 4,312 active cases in Meghalaya yesterday. Also, 434 more recoveries from the viral disease were reported. Meanwhile, 5,53,488 persons received the first dose and 75,546 citizens were fully vaccinated with the second dose in Meghalaya so far. Detection of 103 fresh COVID-19 positive cases took the number of active cases in Nagaland to 1,578 yesterday. The state also reported 277 recoveries, with the recovery rate improving to 88.79%. In Manipur, 629 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, with the positivity rate registered at 11.78%. The number of active cases stands at 9,291. 9 people expired due to COVID-19 infection, increasing the fatality figure to 1,074. On the other hand, 543 more COVID-19 patients recovered from the disease. In Assam, over 3.20 lakh vaccines against COVID-19 were administered yesterday. The Assam government has set the target of vaccinating 3 lakh people daily. All ministers and senior officials are visiting vaccination centers to take stock of the ongoing vaccination drive. The Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier has achieved 100% vaccination of its personnel against COVID-19. The BSF troops in the state were badly hit, and at one point of time maximum positive cases were reported from the force. However, with the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine, a massive vaccination drive was undertaken. As a result, BSF troops are almost free from COVID-19 today, Inspector General Hardeep Singh said, and expressed gratitude to the civil administration for providing sufficient vaccine. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy yesterday informed that the remaining papers for Class 12 board examination will no longer be conducted because of prevailing pandemic situation. Examination for those students who have missed the HSSLC and SSLC exams will be conducted by mid-July. These remaining papers are Computer Science, Statistics, Vocational Studies and Western Music. Health Minister A.L. Haq yesterday said that the pending dues of ASHA, or accredited social health activists from 2011 to 2018 will be cleared in July. The government will give them an incentive of 2,000 rupees every month. The honorarium and salaries of the ASHA workers will go directly into their personal bank accounts, the minister said. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday came to the rescue of heritage English pine trees lining the road at Upper Shillong, some of which were being felled for widening of the Shillong-Dawki National Highway. This had evoked widespread protests, with pictures going viral in social media. Mr. Sangma asked the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation to stop it immediately till a better solution is found. There is need to balance between development and environment, the Chief Minister tweeted, adding that the iconic stretch will not be touched. And with that, we end the news from the station of All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.